Hello friends and welcome to Spice Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my journey of harvesting my radishes that I planted in my condo. I live in Canada, Toronto, and I live in a condo as I said before, and considering the constraint of weather and space, my hobby of gardening was like literally coming to a stop. But I'm really proud of myself. As you can see in the picture, the end result of my fruit of labor. So I would really like to share this journey with you because it excited me so much. So let's begin. I'll first give you a view of how my windowsill looks like, because that's where I tried the gardening. So this is actually the windowsill on which I planted the radishes. I had bought the store-bought seeds, and I took a rectangular windowsill container in which I planted this. I am an experimental gardener, guys, so I don't actually have very good experience, but I really like gardening. So I can see some fruits coming out of them, so I was really excited to harvest. And just to let you know, I had already harvested the foliage once, and we ate it in salad and other stuff, so you can see the foliage grow again and it's pretty dense. So now I have started harvesting. Now I brought the pot down and I have started harvesting, and I'm sorry for the camera angle, guys. I was so excited to see my fruit of labor. I just didn't pay attention to what it was recording, and as you can see, my first radish is out and it's looking pretty healthy and fleshy. So there you can see it, and then I realized, oops, my camera angle is not good, so I adjusted it for the next frame, and then you can see it properly. Now I'll start the same process again. I'm using kind of spatula. I don't actually know what it's called, but I basically use it for the soil purpose. So I took out another fruit or the root out of it, and I'm just cleaning it, the soil around it, so I don't soil my space because it's all indoor, guys. You gotta remember that. Oh my god, I'm really proud of this one. Look at this. This looks so fleshy and it's so big, guys. I really love this one. So I continued the harvesting with the same spatula, and I'm taking it out one by one and I'm cleaning it. I don't want to soil the space, so I'm trying to clean it as much as possible. And you can see the density of the foliage, like it's really healthy, and I'm really excited. And trust me, guys, it tastes so sweet. There's no bitterness in this, and it's all organic because it's all at home. I put no fertilizers in them, no chemical fertilizers. I just used water, and it's the regular potting mix soil. It's not the garden soil, it's actually the potting mix, and you can see my produce coming out one by one. There you can see some dried leaves. Those are the reminiscent of those days where I forgot to water it. Just I would like to highlight that the window on which I had this pot was west facing window, so it used to get almost 3 to 4 hours of sun daily. And there you can see they're coming out so healthy and so excited. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. I took them out one by one, and then I also had to clean all the mess I made on the floor. So there you go, guys. My pride, my produce is all out, and I'll go and give them a very good wash. I took them and I really gave them a very good wash with a little bit of warm or lukewarm water, and there you can see it, like already in their bloom. They're so bright in color. I'm so proud of them. See you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.